Optimizing your feline friend's nutrition, the ultimate guide to crafting the perfect cat diet. As devoted cat owners, ensuring that our beloved feline companions are eating right is of utmost importance. Just like us, cats have specific nutritional needs that evolve with their age, physiological state, and activity levels. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve even deeper into the world of feline nutrition, exploring the types of cat food available, understanding their essential dietary requirements, and tailoring their energy intake for a healthy and happy life. Exploring the cat food spectrum. The first step on our journey toward crafting the ideal cat diet is understanding the various types of cat food available. Cat nutrition can be broadly categorized into three main options: wet food, dry food, and homemade meals. To ensure a well-rounded diet, experts recommend combining wet and dry food, allowing for a balanced rotation. Wet food. This option usually comes in cans or pouches and contains higher moisture content. It's a great choice to ensure your cat stays hydrated, especially if they have a tendency to drink less water. Plus, the variety of flavors and textures can be quite appealing to even the pickiest eaters. Dry food. Dry kibble is convenient and has a longer shelf life. It's often beneficial for dental health, as the crunchiness can help reduce tartar buildup. When selecting dry food, ensure that it contains high-quality animal protein as a primary ingredient. Homemade meals. Crafting your cat's meals at home offers complete control over the ingredients. This can be especially advantageous if your cat has specific dietary requirements or allergies. However, it's essential to consult your veterinarian to ensure the homemade diet meets all of your cat's nutritional needs. However, when making choices, quality is paramount. Always read labels and prioritize products where animal protein takes center stage. While commercial options have their benefits, homemade cat food provides an exceptional advantage: the ability to closely monitor quality and nutrient intake. If you're considering whipping up gourmet meals for your furry friend at home, remember to consult your veterinarian. They can guide you in formulating a diet that perfectly suits your cat's individual needs. Cracking the nutritional code. Cats are strict carnivores, placing protein at the forefront of their nutritional requirements. Alongside protein, cats need specific nutrients like taurine, arginine, arachidonic acid, and vitamin A. These 7 essential components form the bedrock of a cat's diet, with protein leading the pack. Protein. It's not just about quantity, but also quality. Protein sourced from animal products is crucial, as it provides essential amino acids that cats need for various bodily functions, including maintaining healthy muscles, skin, and coat. Taurine. This amino acid is vital for heart health, proper digestion, and optimal vision. Cats cannot synthesize enough taurine on their own, making it a dietary necessity. Arginine. Arginine is essential for detoxifying ammonia in a cat's body, maintaining a healthy immune system, and promoting wound healing. Arachidonic acid, found in animal fats. Arachidonic acid is crucial for various physiological processes, including inflammation and blood clotting. Vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. A deficiency can lead to various health issues. Dry cat food should boast a minimum of 25% protein content, while a natural diet should hover between 90 to 95% protein. Fruits and vegetables can make up the remaining 10 to 5%, but they're not obligatory. Arginine and taurine, crucial amino acids for cats, are primarily found in meat. A shortage of these amino acids can profoundly impact your cat's well-being. Dietary fat, constituting at least 9% of an adult cat's caloric intake, is vital for their health, especially in homemade diets. Dietary fat. Beyond being a concentrated source of energy, fat contributes to healthy skin, coat, and overall cell function. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, found in fish oils and certain plant oils, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are indispensable for skin, coat quality, cognitive functions, cardiovascular health, and the immune system. Carbohydrates, often a dietary staple, play a different role for cats. Cats can thrive on a low-carb diet, as they can derive glucose from protein catabolism. Commercial cat food often contains carbohydrates like cornstarch. Yet, in homemade diets, grains and cereals should be avoided, as carbs aren't essential nutrients for cats. Mastering vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the unsung heroes behind a cat's overall health and vitality. Vitamins C, E, and beta-carotene are the antioxidant powerhouses that combat cell damage and aging. Vitamin C. This vitamin boosts the immune system, promotes healing, and supports healthy joints. Cats can synthesize their vitamin C, but supplementation can be beneficial in certain situations. Vitamin E. As a potent antioxidant, vitamin E helps protect cells from damage and contributes to healthy skin and coat. Beta-carotene. Converted into vitamin A, beta-carotene is crucial for vision, immune function, and reproductive health. Vitamin A is the unsung hero for maintaining healthy eyesight, cell membranes, teeth, and bones. Essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and trace elements such as copper, manganese, iron, zinc, and selenium are integral components of a well-balanced feline diet. Homemade diets, when properly formulated, should naturally encompass these crucial elements. Customizing energy intake for a happy cat. Energy needs vary based on your cat's individual characteristics. Indoor, less active cats may thrive on around 60 calories per kilogram per day. Neutered senior cats, or those with reduced activity levels, may require as little as 45 calories per kilogram per day. Active cats, on the other hand, could need between 70 to 90 calories per kilogram per day. Keep in mind that kittens expend more energy, necessitating higher caloric intake than older cats. Pregnant cats, too, require a specialized diet, consuming approximately 100 kilocalories per kilogram per day during the latter stages of pregnancy. As our feline friends age, their dietary needs may change due to various health concerns. Senior cats can benefit from diets enriched with vitamins C and E to counteract the effects of aging. Specialized kitten-formulated diets can also prove valuable during pregnancy and lactation, ensuring the necessary energy reserves for both mother and kittens. Embark on a journey of feline well-being. With this comprehensive guide, you're well-equipped to embark on a journey of crafting the perfect diet for your cherished cat. By aligning their nutrition with their age, lifestyle, and unique needs, you're ensuring a life filled with vitality and well-being. As you fine-tune their diet, remember that your veterinarian is a vital resource, providing expert guidance and support along the way. Let's ensure our feline companions enjoy a diet that reflects the love and care they bring into our lives.